PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.
Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer. You are now going to experience the space-saving convenience of being able to microwave and air fry with the same unit. Let's first check what's in your box and make sure you have all the parts and accessories. Most models of our PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer contain the main unit and the turntable assembly, which contains the turntable ring, the glass tray, and the turntable shaft. You will also find the air fry rack, the baking pan, and the PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer Owner's Manual. Please make sure you have all of these parts and accessories. If you are missing anything, please go to our website at powerxlproducts.com or call our customer service number at 973-287-5129. Now, check and make sure you remove all packing materials, tape, and stickers from the parts. Once you make sure you have all your parts and no packing materials, let's assemble your unit. It's so easy. Now let's assemble the turntable. First, fit the turntable shaft into the hole in the center of the unit on the bottom. Now place the turntable ring in the groove on the bottom of the inside of the appliance. Finally, put the glass tray on top of the turntable ring. Make sure that the glass tray is right side up. Finally, make sure the notches in the center of the tray fall snugly into the slots in the turntable shaft. Again, make sure you have removed all packing materials, labels, tape, and stickers. Also do a thorough check in the styrofoam to make sure nothing has been embedded into the foam. It's a good idea to wash the glass tray, air fry rack, and baking pan with warm soapy water before you use your PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer. Wipe down the inside and outside of the base unit with a clean, moist cloth. Plug the power plug into an electrical outlet. It is best to use a dedicated outlet and to make sure your PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer is on a level surface. Now, your PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer is ready to go. We'll review how easy it is to operate in the next video.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.